Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to update payment and visit follow-up using the mobile app. We open the My Collector app. From here, we opened any loan detail page. Let's see, this is a loan page where we collected payment from the customer, so there is an option for Proceed at the bottom. Upon clicking Proceed, two options appear, Payment and Visit Follow-up. If we have collected payment from the customer, we need to fill out this form. So, after collecting payment, the first question is about the place contracted, where we met the customer whether at their residence, office address, or elsewhere, which we select here. Residence. Person contacted, we choose who we met the customer, their relatives, or another person. Then we select the payment mode, whether cash, check, DD, or online payment. Even in online payment, there are three modes, direct deposit, online, and money transfer, which we select here. Suppose the customer paid in cash, then we choose the payment type, regular payment, for close settlement, or check bounce charge. We collected a regular payment now. We select the payment date here, which is the date we collected the money. Then we enter the payment amount here, the amount the customer paid us. Next is the receipt number column. If we generated a receipt number, we enter it here, otherwise, we can leave it blank. Then we update it from here. My payment feedback update is now complete, which also updates directly to my telecaller. The trail is created, so I don't need to call my telecaller to inform them that I collected payment on this loan number, with this receipt number. All this information is now auto-updated to my telecaller. Next is the check option. We met relatives at the customer's house. And they gave us a check. So we have chosen the regular payment option here. Select payment date here. Now, when we took cash, fewer options appeared here. When we took a check, more columns appeared. We enter the paid amount. Check which bank's check it is. The bank name. The branch name. Check number. And if we are generating a receipt for the check, we update it here. We've posted all these details, which are now updated to my telecaller in real time. Next, let's see Visit Follow-up. We opened any loan detail page, clicked on Visit Follow-up, and first, we ask whom we met, at home. Personal contact, whom we met. And which code we want to use. If customer is giving us PTP, then PTP DT. After first PTP break, if customer is giving us second date, PTP 1. If I've left a message for him, it's MSG. If the customer has asked us to call back, it is CB. If the customer is not contactable, then NCT. Next is the DISP code, which means dispute. If the customer is refusing to pay, then NITP means not interested to pay. If the customer has gone somewhere, it's out of station. If the customer has shifted, it's shifted. If the customer is unreachable, we can trace them. Next is the DL, which means door lock. Then there's the repo. Where if I use any of these codes, suppose if the customer gave me a PTP, then I will take PTP DT. Action amount, how much amount I visited the customer for. The amount I need to take from the customer, I fill it here. Next is the next action date, when the customer gave me the PTP, I take that date here. Next action time, the time when the customer will pay me, I fill it here. PTP mode, how the customer will pay, I update that after confirming with the customer. PTP address, where the customer is paying from, I update that. If I need to fill in their landmark, I fill it in here. If the customer is giving a new number and address, they can enter it here. Then we update it. So, as soon as I took the PTP on the 27th, when I log into my app on the 27th, my PTP will also be updated. I'll see on the 27th that I have to collect money from this customer, at this time, from this place, on this loan number. And my telecaller will also get a pop-up today that I have taken a PTP on this loan number, and on the 27th, they will get a reminder that this is a PTP, which will show the details here, and the same details will be visible to my telecaller, that on this date, this loan number needs this March payment collected. So, we can take any code from here. This time, we took the shifted code in the visit follow-up. So, from here, we went to the customer's house in the visit follow-up, didn't meet the customer, met some other person, so we took the shifted code. So, select the next action date here. But we don't know since it's shifted, so we can leave it blank. Next action time, here we need to type the new address because it's shifted, meaning we got a new address for the customer, so we type that new address and update it, so it will be updated in our system, their new address. Your callers will know, your supervisors will know. So, this is how we've shown all the codes for follow-up. And for more information, please watch other videos. Thank you.